This is a Filipino cutting down the tree next door. He climbed up the tree. He took the top off down here. Didn't hit no wires, thank the Lord. Now he's taking down one branch at a time. Okay, he got the tree topped. Now he's got to climb back down. Get some of the upper branches. No gas! Here we go again, part 2. Taking the tree down a little bit at a time. This one's too big tricky. Yeah, now he's got to go and cut it from the other direction. Oh, he's not getting much to stand on. Alright. Part 2 is finished. Now he's got to get on a ladder and cut the big one down. Alright, we'll see what happens when he comes down. Look at that, man. There's so much brush on the ground, I don't know if he's going to have room to put a ladder in there. Oh, monkeys in a tree. Oh, he's getting down now. Oh, barefooted too. That would kill me. The only bummer is that little tiny tree in the back. It's like a fruit tree, papaya tree, and they're probably going to knock that down too. It was just starting to get fruit on it. It's crying shame that it getting replanted. Hey, just don't do that here. Oh, that one worked well. He missed the other building. Awesome job, awesome job. Okay, now we can work on that's good now. They got a lot of cleanup to do. They left a little bit of stubby there so we could put our clothesline back up. That was awful nice of them. Yeah, we got 2 clotheslines here. When you wash your clothes, you got some place to hang them up. So that's kind of nice that they left a place for our clothesline. All right, good job, buddy. All right, thanks for coming along. We're out.